For more than 50 years, VPG, often known as the ferti-lome people, has existed to strengthen, empower, and support locally owned merchants. We sell these highly rated brands only to independent distributors and dealers. You have a preferred product that your customers cannot buy at a big box store. With over 350 products and sizes to choose from, we offer an unrivaled variety of lawn and garden solutions, fertilizers, fungicides, herbicides, insecticides, and a rapidly expanding selection of organic options. This full line of items makes you the go-to expert in your community, offering local solutions for local problems. VPG is owned by our independent merchants. Each year we return earnings from operations to qualified patron owners. Since 1968, patron owners have since yielded over $294 million back in patronage refunds. Patron ownership has so many unique advantages. Being an owner means control over company direction. It means protection from competitors. And it means high margins and increased profit. Are you an owner?